In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk messages from ManyChat. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently send a broadcast to your audience without missing anything important. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create the message, set your targeting, and either send it right away or schedule it for later. First, log into your ManyChat admin dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options. Find the one labeled Broadcasts and click on it. This is the section where you create and manage messages that go out to multiple people at once. Inside the Broadcasts page, look for the New Broadcast button. Depending on your layout, it might be at the top right corner or right in the center of the page. Click on New Broadcast. A pop-up window will appear asking where you want to start your broadcast. You'll see options like Messenger, Telegram, or email. For this walkthrough, choose Messenger, since that's one of the most common channels for ManyChat broadcasts. After you select Messenger, you'll be taken to the automation editor. Here, ManyChat automatically creates a basic structure for your broadcast. You'll see an action called Send a Broadcast and a step that says Send Message in Messenger. A drawer or panel will slide open on the left side of the screen where you can edit the content of your message. In this message editor, type out what you want your audience to see. For example, you might write something like 24-hour flash sale. Everything is 30% off today only. Use code SAVE30. Want the link? Once your text is ready, click on Add Button. This lets you create a call to action button under your message. Change the button title to something clear like Shop Now. Then choose the action Open Website so that when people tap the button, it takes them to your link. Click Done to save it. If you'd like, you can scroll through the left drawer to add more content blocks such as images, additional text, or other interactive elements. Next, let's choose who will receive this broadcast. At the bottom left of the editor, you'll see an option called Target Audience. Click it to expand. Then click Add Condition. A drop-down will appear where you can set filters to define your audience, such as tags, segments, or other attributes. Select the conditions that best match the people you want to reach. Once your message and targeting are ready, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can decide when to send your broadcast. If you want it to go out immediately, click Send Now. If you prefer to schedule it for later, click the button with the clock icon. A pop-up will appear where you can select the date, time, and time zone for your broadcast. Confirm your schedule and you're done. That's all you need to send a bulk message from ManyChat. Create your broadcast, write your message, define your target audience, and then either send it right away or schedule it for the perfect time.